What's up, buddy? This is Kike. I'll show you my car. Like I said, it's a 97 Cobra. I haven't cleaned it yet. The engine bay is a little bit dirty. I haven't used it since I bought a 5.0, so this is a cold start on the Cobra. That's the exhaust leak. About the that was the EGR delete that I did to it. You know, if we do trade, I'll clean it up for you guys. You know, I just don't want to trade something that's not clean enough. So, you know, I haven't cleaned it. I bought that 5.0, so, you know, this one's been parked here for a while. But like I said, that's the only thing. Since I deleted the EGR, it created that leak. It's just a hole that you need to plug. So there she is. She purrs. Sounds good. Doesn't smoke. Gauges work. Oil, water, bolts. USB radio, bullit. AC works. Cobra mats. LED, everything. So, you know, tell me what you think, dude. Thanks.